Hello, and welcome to another Tie-Dye Tuesday. I'm your host, Jared Hunt, and today we'll be making another ice-dyed dress. So grab your crochet thread and a dress and let's get started. Take a dress that has been soaked overnight in soda ash and spun out in the washer. Stretch out the dress, make it as flat as possible, and line up the seams. Fold the dress in half to create a vertical line of symmetry. Layering like this makes it to where you only have to draw the design on there once, pleat once, and bind once. Draw a guideline. Pleat along the pre-drawn line and bind. Pleat and bind the rest of the dress. It is now time to dye. Next, we will sprinkle dye powder on the piece. I use all my colors. Sometimes I add black after I add the ice. Another optional step while ice dyeing is using cardboard or something to create a barrier so your ice does not fall everywhere. Again, 100% optional, but very, very helpful. Now add ice. When ice dyeing, make sure the ice has fully melted. The shirt or piece has been fully saturated. If not fully saturated, add more ice or powder. Once it is fully saturated, make sure it's been brought up to 70 degrees for at least 24 hours. I prefer 48. And then you can start the washout process. Once the piece has batched, before I even open it, I throw everything in the washing machine for one cold cycle. Then I go ahead and start opening. Once that first wash cycle's done, you can go ahead and open your piece and then throw it back into the washing machine. That's one wash cycle on cold, and then you have two more on cold and then one on hot for a total of 3 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle. If you want to use laundry detergent, you're more than welcome to, but it is not necessary. After washing, if you would like to keep the size the same, hang dry. If you need to shrink it, throw it in the dryer on high heat. Thank you all so very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys spending your time with me. If you found this video entertaining or helpful, drop a like. If you want to see more tutorials, hit that subscribe button. And for the sake of engagement, leave a comment for what design you want to see next or just to say hi. Finally, if you want to browse my inventory, you can check out my Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the description. And once again, thank you all very, very much, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week.